Hey everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a Youpo tutorial for beginners. First of all, what is Youpo? Youpo is not a store, it is a photo album platform, originally popular in China. Sellers, especially for replica or wholesale fashion like clothes, shoes, watches, etc., use Youpo to display their products catalogs. Step 1. Understand how Youpo works. Youpo is just a showcase, okay? Sellers upload photos of their products to albums. To actually buy something, you need to contact the seller directly through WeChat, WhatsApp, or agent. Now, how to find Youpo catalogs? Usually, sellers will post their Youpo links on forums, Reddit threads, or through recommendations. Next, browsing Youpo. Albums are usually organized by category like sneaker, handbags, jacket, watches, etc. Click into an album to view more images of the product. There are no prices or descriptions in most cases. It's purely visual. Some tip is pay attention to the details in the photos like stitching, logos, or color accuracy. Next, contacting the seller. Note the album name or screenshot the item you like. Reach out to the seller, usually via WeChat or WhatsApp. Now what to ask for? Ask for the price, shipping options, stock availability, and real photos or videos. Because sometimes Youpo has older photos. Some pro tip is some sellers also work with agents who help you purchase and ship multiple items together. Now, placing an order. Once you've confirmed your order, the seller will give you a payment options, usually PayPal, Wise, or crypto, and then shipping estimates. Pay and wait for the seller to ship your item. They may send tracking details after dispatch. Step 6 is to stay safe. Youpo is equals to no buyer protections. It's just a photos. Only buy from sellers with good reputation. Check reviews on forums, trusted agent lists, etc. Use safe payments method with buyer protection when possible. Now, what Youpo is good for? It is good for fashion reps, sneakers, streetwear, handbags, and watches. For wholesale or bulk buying and for browsing visual catalogs. It is not good for a direct e-commerce store, price list-led marketplace, and instant purchase platform. In summary, Youpo is a visual catalog platform for finding products. To buy, you must contact the seller directly and arrange payment and shipping. And that's basically it.